In the vast arena of project management, understanding the dynamics of stakeholder engagement is essential. We start this journey by delving into the essence of stakeholder challenges, characterizing a difficult stakeholder not merely as someone with demands, but as a key figure capable of influencing the project's direction and outcome. Challenges often arise from misaligned goals, communication gaps, and conflicting interests. These, if not addressed early, can derail a project's progression and success. Identifying and addressing stakeholder challenges early is a strategic move to safeguard the project's integrity and turn every stakeholder into a partner in success. Moving forward, we'll uncover PMP-endorsed strategies for excelling in stakeholder engagement, emphasizing the role of understanding, empathy, and strategic communication. The path to project management success is paved with the strategic navigation of stakeholder management. This segment reveals the utility of project management professional PMP-endorsed strategies in effective communication and conflict resolution. These strategies are derived from global professional wisdom, highlighting the need for clear communication, feedback, and an inclusive environment. Conflict resolution strategies we'll explore offer ways to turn challenges into opportunities for project growth and innovation. With these strategies, stakeholder conflicts are handled with finesse, fostering stronger relationships. We'll demonstrate the practical implementation of these strategies through real-world scenarios, offering both theoretical knowledge and actionable insights. Navigating the challenge of managing difficult stakeholders is pivotal. This segment recounts a real-life scenario where strategic application of PMP-endorsed methods transformed opposition into collaborative success. The key was active listening and empathetic engagement, leading to open communication. By hosting collaborative workshops, the team aligned stakeholder demands with project goals. This turned potential failure into a story of support and insight, highlighting the potent effect of strategic stakeholder management. This case study serves as a foundation for our next discussion on enhancing stakeholder relationships. Trust is the cornerstone of effective stakeholder engagement. It's about understanding stakeholders' needs, aligning them with project objectives, and engaging in transparent communication. This process involves constant monitoring and adjusting based on feedback, facilitating a dynamic relationship that strengthens over time. As we delve into strategies for managing challenging stakeholders, we emphasize the importance of trust, engagement, and feedback adaptation, showcasing these principles through real-world scenarios to offer practical strategies for enhancing stakeholder relationships and ensuring project success. This final exploration highlights the transformative power of prioritizing communication and collaboration in stakeholder management. We've seen how these strategies yield improved project outcomes, fostering an environment of mutual value and success. Increased stakeholder satisfaction is achieved, reflecting a deep understanding of stakeholder dynamics. We've armed ourselves with the tools for success, ensuring every challenge is met with expertise, and every project outcome is a testament to successful management.